In this video, we'll take a look at naming an assignment to include the theme so that it's easy to find within your Folio and Canvas. So on the screen, I have the different themes here. I'm going to be doing this assignment for the thematic focus theme. So when I go to save this file, I'll include thematic focus in the name of my file so it appears in my Canvas account. So when I go to File and I save this, notice in my title, Thematic Focus for Paper 1. Once I save that, and when I go back in and upload it to my Canvas course, when I'm in Canvas and go to my account file, it'll look like this. You'll have a listing of your courses, and then here's the one that I did for Thematic Focus.